that was a way to wake up. I was wearing these socks, okay? When I woke up to fire alarm, I took those off, don't worry. Believe it or not, that's not the first time this has happened to me either. Well, it wasn't even here. It was in California, but that's a whole nother story. Long story short, I am an expert at the quick escape. Wallet, keys, questionable footwear, and for the first time ever, I got to utilize my escape tree. Sure, why not? Boom, bap, pow, pow, bang. Okay, go, go. He's not dancing. He's just walking away. Matt!
Out of this information dissemination at the time because I'm over there crying my guts out. Yeah.
Alright, go, 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 go. Or just all act lame, yeah. That's we're bonding.
Okay, so where do we go in relation to this? Do you know?
I don't know how to get from here to.
I just got back and I did not expect to have like a night out on the town, bruh. But I mean, whatever happens happened, and it just happened, and it was great. So all those people you just saw were in the Filipino Student Association, and we all have the same mentor, Gian. She gave us this really cool stuff. Check it out. All this, and it's a flash. Check this out. It's a flashlight.